Guys, this is GG Go Gamer with Luke. Natural disasters, and he's coming. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I don't know.
It's Luke. Are you at the nest place? Nest or whatever. A special way when you sit in seats,
Fire,
you will
keep
die. Is there seats anywhere? If you sit in seats, you will die.
There are no seats.
But move around. You won't die. And it's annoying. And take Jan's tablet.
Do you remember the username and the password for that one?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then take her tablet. It's better. Go take her tablet. She's not using it. But FIU do hurts, so I'm out of here. One more hit with fire, I'm dead. Up front. Not to it. In the dirt, 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 in the dirt. Hey, hey, hey. I am alive. I am alive.
I don't have it. I want.
Charge this one for the morning. Sorry guys about that again. See, I'm always getting phone questions. I don't want you. Just because I have Roblox don't mean you have to friend me.
Okay.
I'll be nice enough. Oh, not you. Just I know you in real life, so I ain't gonna friend you. So, I'm gonna do a 5 friend accepted because I have a lot of people who try to friend me. I think they know about my videos, but not that much. So I'm gonna do the 5 giveaway video. So okay. So
Man, I wish I could have.
we have some snipers. You ain't never learned for hustling your life. I'm from 18 years old. Go boy on ice. Look at the it's not a boy we don't like. I know that we about to take a trip to Mexico. Gavin's took me for the so I'm about to go by Draco. Beat, I got that beast for. Boy, I dropped that in that day be waiting for. About to say, how the freak are we gonna survive? Oh, they dead. I don't know why he trying to move. They dead. They all dead. Smartest idea was to get up here. But y'all didn't want to fall. No. Yes. Phew. That was so. No, don't do big bully. Go to log in and do it. Now do it. Put big bully and put your password. Look at the flicker there is. Look at the flicker there is. Ooh, look at the flicker there is. Look at the flicker there is. Ooh, look at the flicker there is. Can't even reset. I wanna go on the slide. I wanna go on the slide. Ooh, I wanna go on the slide. 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 I wanna go on a 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 slide. I'm too light, man. Too light. I'm too light, man. I'm too light. Too light, man. Too light. I don't wear a lot of weight. Like a street ganger, boy. Okay. Oh. Don't blow. Oh, split. It's not working. Oh my god, you don't know that profile.
It's 508 and password. I don't know what my password is.
Dang, do it the whole house.
That was Big Bully 508. But I guess the password is wrong.
It looks like Luke has lost his password.
But I don't know mine, and I'm going to create a new one.
Fall off. No!
I need to create a new one.
We should use this one, because this one charges with that. Straight down. No! Fall damage. No fall damage.
Sign up. Gold. Gold.
You understand me, do me, do you understand 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 me. And playtime. Okay.
Anyways, I press Gold Gaming Fan. I press Gold Gaming Fan.
You should put Clay Thompson 602 fan.
Friends. I spell it. What is your name?
Come on now.
Okay, I know your name. I know your name and I'm not even looking at it.
Come on, man. Wait, see nothing.
Did I get it right? Dang it, the last one is 602. Wait. Okay.
It's not an M, it's an S. M. You said Clay Tom. Clay Tom.
Oh.
Clay Tom 602. That's what you said. Clay Thompson 602.
No,
Clay Top.
K-L-A-Y.
Give me your wood. Get back here! Get back here! What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I didn't do a single thing. Earthquake! Get Joe, stay away from tall structures. What is that, Joe? Fall. Get a rock right here. Dang, man, that Joe shaking me. I can't go. I don't want to go. I can't go. I want to go. Get in this thing, man. It's useful. Boy, you better watch out what you say.
I said friend request.
Okay.
Q.
Okay, I set the after this. Okay, guys. This is gonna be a short video. I have to take care of some business. We back, guys. I had to accept this boy's friend request. He can't keep his profile straight, so I have to keep on making one so I can keep in contact with him. Okay, we're gonna end this, guys, at 13 minutes because I want to do something. There you skinny. Toothpick. That's your nickname for me. Toothpick. Get back here, Toothpick. Get back here, Toothpick. Get. Yeah, Toothpick. Get. There's gonna be an earthquake. That's my guess. Alright, we'll talk. I got time for this. Dude! Okay, guys. When I said 13 minutes, I mean it. Okay, guys. Peace out. Go Gamer and Luke here. He's just an obscure. Bye.